Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chapin. Bollinger Bands, blue, is an indicator that ascertains price volatility had depicted a squeeze, which meant that volatility has decreased. This reading could mean a continued bearish price action for the coin over immediate trading sessions. Polkadot DOT certainly provided more than its fair share of drama and news during the pair-chain slot auctions. However, as the excitement dies down and the market struggles to recover from multiple crashes and macro-level setbacks, how has the number 14 biggest crypto by market cap been faring? At press time, DOT was dotting wallets of $15.11 after slipping by 1.55% over the last day. In the past week, however, it has lost 16.19% of its value. Ledger apps for all Polkadot part-chain winners. The WEB3 Foundation is the entity responsible for launching the initial version of Polkadot in May 2020. From the onset, the collective wants to elevate blockchain development to a new level by focusing on efficiency, speed, and pair chains. Every pair chain runs in parallel to the Polkadot chain, but can be used to serve a specific purpose, e.g., a project or protocol. There will be 100 pair chains initially, and slots are awarded to auction slot winners. With those pair chains, it becomes a bit trickier for the average consumer to figure out how to access specific projects, or where to store assets belonging to a particular pair chain. Zondax, a frontline blockchain service provider, acknowledges they can simplify things. Through collaboration with the WEB3 Foundation, the team will develop native Ledger applications for Polkadot pair chain auction winners. Ledger is the most popular hardware wallet for dozens of cryptocurrencies, blockchains, and ecosystems. Having a native application for that device is a significant breakthrough and makes everything more accessible and manageable. Zondax and the WEB3 Foundation share aligning values to nurture innovative applications for decentralized web software protocols. Applications for the Ledger hardware will streamline that process. Leveraging Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) via millions of smartphones and routers to allow enterprises and smart cities to connect IoT devices to the internet. Voters seem to be liking the possible implications of this project, which led to heavy support in favor of it. Its closest competitor was the cross-chain money market Equilibrium. All in all, with Node looking to win the next auction by 11 March, DOT prices already seem to be improving. The squeeze momentum indicator, for instance, pictured the first green bar in more than 2 weeks. Furthermore, with the ADX climbing above 25.0, the active trend could see more strength, provided the trend changes to an uptrend. In fact, there is an actual possibility of recovery beyond just positive price indicator was seen trading below the 20 SMA, as that indicated an increase of sellers in the market. Buyers have lost momentum in the market, and sellers were responsible for driving prices ahead. Corresponding to the same reading, the relative strength index continued on a downward slide. Buyers had exited the market as the coin was nearing the oversold territory. A push in the buying strength can help prices rise up above the 20 SMA and 50 SMA as seen in the third week of April. Over the last 24 hours, DOT lost 2% of its market value, and in the past week, the coin registered a 16.2% downfall. MACD, which is responsible for determining a price trend, had portrayed green signal bars on the chart in anticipation that prices might see an upward swing, but as the prices dipped, the green signal bars have lost their vigor. This indicated a change in price momentum, and that could mean a continued downslide for DOT. Polkadot Parallel Finance made a big splash in the DeFi space today, launching no less than 6 new products in one fell swoop. The new products have been launched on Hyco Finance, which is Parallel Finance's deployment on Kusama, a public pre-production environment of the main Polkadot chain. They mark the realization of Hyco's vision as an integrated DeFi pair chain, with each one being naturally interoperable and efficient, thanks to the functionality of the substrate chain that underlies them, Parallel Finance said. Later, the new products will all be launched on Polkadot's ecosystem, which will happen once they've proven their capabilities. What is Parallel Finance? Parallel Finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's aiming to give investors a way to unlock illiquid DOT tokens that must be staked for a 2-year period to secure a Polkadot pair chain. In fact, the project combines not one but three separate protocols, with the others being a staking derivative protocol that tokenizes native DOT tokens, and an under-collateralized lending market that's designed to provide capital for pair chain auctions. Rated $43,200 at press time. And yet, DOT saw no such reprieve. Moreover, the price fell beneath the previous lows of $15.88 to fall as far south as $14.5 before finding demand. This is more likely to be contrarian traders who saw an opportunity after the steep drop, rather than investors who see DOT to be in an area of value. The market structure, at press time, was bearish, and the previous lows appear to have been breached. $20.5 and $19 have rejected the price too. Rationale: the RSI was unable to climb past the 56 mark, which has been a relatively important level in the past few months. Generally, a move above 55 to 60 on the RSI has heralded gains for DOT. Consistently being above this level would indicate a strong uptrend. Instead, the RSI has stayed under the neutral 50 level to denote a downtrend for the past 3 months. The awesome oscillator poked its nose above the zero line, but could be forced back under due to the rejection at $19. The OBV has been sliding south consistently. This is a sign that selling volume has steadily outmuscled buying volume in recent months. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever.